Are you a project manager who feels overwhelmed by tracking tasks, teams, and deadlines? Or maybe you've heard about Jira but worry it's too complicated to get started? You're not alone. Many project managers face these challenges, especially when juggling multiple projects and communication channels. In this video, I'll break down Jira in a way that's simple and practical. At the end, you'll know exactly what Jira is, how it helps project managers, and how you can start using it today, even if you're a complete beginner. Welcome to PM Mastery Lab, where we make project management tools easy to understand. Let's dive in and see how Jira can transform the way you manage your projects. Jira is a powerful project management and issue tracking tool developed by Atlassian. While it was originally designed for software teams, today it's used by project managers in all kinds of industries. Think of Jira as your digital command center. Here, you can create tasks, assign work, track progress, and manage deadlines all in one organized place. For example, if you're managing a website development project, instead of juggling WhatsApp messages, Excel sheets, and endless emails, you can keep everything in Jira: design tasks, development work, testing bugs, and final delivery. This means everything is transparent, organized, and easy to follow for everyone involved. Use Jira effectively. It's important to understand its main components. First, you have projects. These are your workspaces, like a website revamp project. Next are issues, which are basically tasks. Issues can be stories for feature work, general tasks, or bugs that need fixing. Then there are epics, which are big goals broken down into smaller tasks, such as building an entire e-commerce website. Workflows show how tasks move from to-do to in progress to done. Finally, boards like Scrum or Kanban give you a visual way to track everything. These components help you organize work, assign responsibilities, and keep everyone on the same page. Let's walk through how project managers actually use Jira. First, you create a project and choose a board type: Scrum for sprint-based work or Kanban for continuous flow. Next, break down your project into small, manageable tasks. Instead of a vague goal like build app, you create specific tasks: design UI, develop API, test features. Assign each task to team members and set deadlines. Use the board to track what's pending, ongoing, or completed. Plan your work in short cycles called sprints and use Jira's reports like burn down charts and velocity tracking to get instant insights. This way you always know if you're on track without chasing people for updates. Imagine you're launching an online store. Without Jira, tasks are scattered, ownership is unclear, and deadlines are often missed. With Jira, every task is assigned, everyone knows their responsibility, and progress is visible to all. The result? Better control, less stress, and faster delivery. For beginners, here are some pro tips. Keep tasks small and clear. Don't overload one person. Update statuses regularly. Use labels and priorities, and start simple. Don't overcomplicate your workflows. By following these steps, you'll find Jira becomes a powerful ally in your project management toolkit. If you're interested in mastering project management concepts explained in simple, practical ways, make sure to check out more from PM Mastery Lab. We regularly share videos on project management fundamentals, Agile and Scrum concepts, PMP exam tips, and real-world project examples. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.